Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a very special, reveal and unboxing. Shoes and something else, and these are, ooh, it's a little dirty, the hottest items of the season for Chanel. Maybe one of these is last season. Wait, let me look. Okay, one of them is last season. Let's start with those. 22P Chanel. I'm so excited for these. In the dust bag. These are the Chanel CC Turnlock loafers. They are very hard to find. I sized half a size up. And I have a high instep, so I'm gonna have to stretch them a little bit, but so cute with the I think it's champagne gold hardware, and so silly, but the CC actually turn locks and you can like lift it. So cute. Okay, so this super hot, but also super classic. Loafers are very in. Prada loafers are having a moment. Like loafers are just having a moment. So that's one pair. This other pair is current season and very, very hard to find. So I was so excited. Let's see, 2 dust bags. And here, let me take out this piece of tissue. These are the Chanel sandals from 22S season. And let me just take a look. These are they come in so many different heights. It's hard to keep track. 85B, I can't tell how high these are based on the label. Here, maybe if I just show you this. That's all the information. I'm not sure the height of these. I know that they come in, this might be, I know there's like a shorter one. There might be 2 taller ones than this. I'm not totally sure, but I'm really excited. I got these in black. They come in so many different colors: blue, yellow, pink, 2 shades of pink, white. I like the black just because like with a white shoe, it's super graphic and super beautiful, but then like this part of the toe, like immediately you can see marks on it. And so I thought these would just last a little bit longer and be really easy to wear in a bunch of different places. So, okay, maybe we'll have to do like a little try on mod shot with this next item, which I'm kind of dying over. So in this little box, take off the camellia. And I need to put it down because it's like one of these little situations. Inside, let me just, okay. She's a little crumpled. Okay. I'm dying. Okay. You guys. Oh my God, it's so small. It's so small. I'm like trying to. This is the wallet on chain heart. It is champagne gold heart. Oh my God, look. Come on. Okay, so there's the felt in front and the sticker. Oh, so cute. Look, there's like the card. This is a SLG, so it still has the authenticity card versus the RFID. So there's this front pocket that actually works. So cute, so tiny. Back pocket. Little heart single zip pull with the tag inside. So this is the information: heart clutch with chain from 22S. Retails for $3,400. Okay, let me take this tissue off the chain and then try it on for you. We'll do mod shots. Oh my God, I'm struggling. And then I'll try and do it really quick, like what fits. I think I can reach my bag over there. All the tissue. Okay, let's see. It's so tiny and I'm not, so let's see how this looks. It's so cute. You know what it reminds me of in terms of size is the round clutch with chain. A little stiff on the zip. Okay, okay. But look at her. Okay, let me get all adjusted. Oh my God. So cute. So cute. Okay, okay. Let me grab. Right now I'm using my 19 and it's all full of stuff. So let's see what could possibly fit in this tiny little. Okay. I am so thrilled. So I'm still on the waiting list for the large size, either in pink or black. People are like, oh, it's trendy, it's not worth it, all that stuff. But I am such like a girly girl. I'm such a heart person that I really think like, this is very me. Like I will use it forever. I will use it forever. Okay. So first, let's try this Louis Vuitton card holder. I don't think this will fit. People have said that the Chanel card holder doesn't fit, but the Chanel card holder is a little bit bigger. So let's see, I'm turning it. No, it sticks up. If you put it at like an angle, maybe, but I don't want to damage the card holder or the bag. This is a small bag. Not really, like look, it's barely doesn't fit. So if there's a card holder out there that's smaller than this, I think if it was just like a single envelope, it might work. Let's see. I don't know if this one's smaller at all. This is a Louis Vuitton gift. No, this one's bigger. Okay. And then this one I think is also the same size. No, so these are all the same size and very small. And then this Gucci one has got to be bigger. Let's see. Well, so the Gucci one is much shorter. So let's see if that fits. It is taller though. The Gucci one fits. Let's see if we can zip it. Y'all, Gucci card holder fits. Okay. So the Gucci card holder is in there. We'll back that up to the back wall. So you can see it like fits along the top because it's like shorter and then rests along the bottom. Okay, what else? Oh, I don't have my AirPods up here. Okay, so I have this pen. That mini pen fits with the wallet. Let's see, my Touchland hand sanitizer. Let's see if that fits as well. So I have a hand sanitizer, pen, wallet, mini lip balm right on top. So just the essentials. A mask would not fit. You'd have to like fold your mask in half and maybe stick it in the back pocket like that. Or just put it in your coat pocket or just wear it on your face. I don't know. That's actually not a bad amount of things. Okay, if I pull this out, maybe stick a full, oh, and a full size. So it would be, you can do the full size lipstick or the lip balm in there. You can kind of see. So it's the hand sanitizer, the pen, the full-size lipstick, and the wallet. Literally just the essentials. And then you could put like, you know, a card you wanted easy access to here, and it would be pretty secure. As far as the back pocket, on the wallet on chain, I really like putting my room key back here, but that is bigger. Here you would be able to see it. So maybe only like receipts or something. Oh my God. I am loving this so much. All right, I will try and do mod shots, maybe with the shoes. Should we try anything else? Let's see. Here's a full-size Rare Beauty lip gloss, and that fits. I don't think it could fit with the wallet. This like Gucci wallet, and it fits because, like I said, it's shorter. I'm like repeating myself, but I'm just like so excited I got a wallet in here. Everyone's like, no. Yeah. I mean, it's a weird size, but it's not so small. Okay, this is a pack of gum. Duh. Wow. I think the pack of gum fits too. So it's a pack of gum, a giant lip gloss. I mean, you could definitely use the space smarter. Like, you don't need like 100 sticks of gum with you. The Balenciaga will definitely not. This like holds more than this altogether. Let's see my work badge. It does not, the envelope is like too long. This is like, you know, it's too much extra height here, which was the same thing with the card. But you just stick your little work badge back here, and then you can like scan it on the door. People are like, oh my God, do not wear that to work. So my AirPods are downstairs, but they totally fit. I think you could fit either, oh, and then here's my Hermes coin purse, and that fits too. So you could do coin purse, wallet, lip gloss, pen, no problem. That's like almost as much as a wallet on chain. I guess you can do the sunglasses and a wallet on chain too. I'm very impressed that this hand sanitizer fits. This is not a small one. This is like the rose water, and they make smaller hand sanitizers than that. And this like totally goes in this world we live in now. Mask. This is a clean mask. Don't worry, guys. You could definitely stick an extra mask in there. I like, I started using the disposable ones because of my skin, but I always like to carry an extra because I feel like sometimes the little ears get unhooked. Okay. So it's a mask, a wallet, coin purse, small lip balm. So easy. So easy. And instead of the coin purse, you could do hand sanitizer depending on how you're feeling. Anyway, I am so thrilled for this. Let me zip it up. The zipper's a little stiff. Oh, and the wallet wants to be all the way back if you're gonna put it in there. So cute. Okay, let me try and do mod shots, and then we'll see if I can edit the video. If I can't, no, I'll just put my mind to it. I'll edit the video. We'll end with mod shots. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're getting the heart bag, please let me know what color you're getting. I'm still waiting. I also want a large one, but I'm just really happy to even have one. And otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Okay. All right, stay tuned for mod shots. I'm like a size 12, just so you know. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay.